Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Avalanche. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of Avalanche is still trying to break out this very long term down trend line resistance. Recently, we broke it down. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, it is trying to break it out. And once again, it is reached at this resistance. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance on has been working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here in the month of October 2023. And by the way, we found first time this resistance here in the month of November 2021. Therefore, still this downtrend line is working as a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at the huge breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Avalanche that I shared a few days ago on 1st of June 2020 five with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Avalanche that I shared a few days ago on 1st of June 2024 with my members. And that is a bullish Garley move that Avalanche has completed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. This is a complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and below this level is the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is slightly geared up, still moving by the way inside this potential reversal line. And I'm expecting that soon it will reach this sell targets on. And before that, recently we caught almost 40% pump. And this move I shared on 6th of May 2025 in the previous month. And that was another bullish Garley move that Avalanche completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. It binds on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target line. This was almost 40% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this quite long down. It has been moving inside this long down channel. And while moving inside this channel, first we broke down this uptrend line support. Then we also broke down this uptrend, this downtrend line support as well. That is again flipped into a resistance. By the way, this downtrend line has been previously working as a very, very long term resistance. Here at the resistance, 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 and recently it was also working as support here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that we found this resistance here in the month of November 2021. We got rejection here, so many rejections here. And now again, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And if we take a look at this uptrend line resistance that has been previously working as a very, very long-term support, and now it can again work as a resistance for the price. And in this time, Avalanche can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at $41 or $42. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $55. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that has been previously working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and support here, and support here, and resistance here in the month of Feb 2021 as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price on the Avalanche has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.